Shout out to those people.
Saw that coming.
Alright, let's see. So, this final corner room over here, this might be a staircase on this side, and then this will be like one final room in the corner. And then right here is going to be the elevator.
Western Walworth
So
County
that's
in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin until 1:30 a.m. At 12:58 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Clinton, or 9 miles east of Beloit, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, law enforcement reported several trees and power lines down across the Beloit area. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beloit, Elkhorn, Delavan, Williams Bay, Walworth, Clinton, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Como, Richmond, Tiffany, Abel's Corners, Tibbetts, Allen's Grove, Millard, Avalon,
I'm not gonna be able to go back to sleep.
Emerald Grove, and Johnstown Center. People attending Elkhorn Ribfest should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Here's what's going on outside. It kind of calmed down, but the winds and rain was killing it.
What's your weather radar go off for?
Severe thunderstorm warning. They said multiple power lines and trees are down in the lake. Dang. Rightfully so, because when I looked out my window, when you said the power flickered, it was like 50 to 60 mile per hour winds.
Same.
Actually, let me keep this off. Here's my front yard.
Oh.
The wind is still blowing though. What a crazy day. Like I said, this day and yesterday was pretty crazy when it came to storms. Started off on 1 o'clock, getting storms. Then it stopped, and then we were getting some storms around 10. Then I took a nap, I guess.
Yes.
And Trace woke me up saying the power was flickering. And I look outside, and it's 50-mile-per-hour winds.
Storm stretching, but it looks a little bit all the way to New Mexico.
It's a pretty big storm. It looked like it wasn't going to hit us. That's why I didn't stay awake for it. But obviously it was going to, so. Wow.
Another lightning.
That was a good one. Yeah, that was a good one. If you lost your power in Blue Lake, I hope you can get it back soon. I don't know. I lost my power a couple of months ago. You know, it wasn't even a storm. It was just sudden, you know. Things happen, but this storm had winds to knock it down, so it was a double header. I'm reading the chat. All right. I'm a you.